Grabe! Ano kakainin ko? Tubig na may yelo? Air na sandwich? Ang hirap maging chef kung wala kang ingredients.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Tapos, kung magluluto naman ako, sunog naman. Magiging flavor for the day, carbonara na literal na may carbon. Hi guys! Let me introduce you to my new bae. Meal Plan Mo. Fresh, masarap, at hindi ako iniwan nung gutom ako. Goodbye, kusina struggles. Hello, buhay na hindi sunod-sunod. Kung gutom ka na at sawa ka na maghugas ng plato, i-meal plan mo na yan. Tara na, hindi ka magsisisi. Pwede ka mag-post sa IG.
Are you ready?
Order now. Visit mealplanmo.com or DMS. Meal Plan Mo, ang sagot sa gutom at stress. Walang luto-luto, puro saya-saya. Pick it down, yeah. Time. Lo,